you've got your nice clean plastic lid, you can practice making different designs in it before you apply the glue. Once you find a design that you like, remove the glass beads and fill the lid with the clear glue. Once you've got that filled, you can start placing your glass beads in the design that you liked. Once you have let your sun catcher sit for 3 or 4 days, just lift it up a little bit to see if it's all dry. If it's still a little bit wet, just pull it carefully out of the lid and flip it over and put it on the top of the lid, and then you can just let it sit for another day, and that should help it dry quickly. Now that your sun catcher is dry, we're ready to attach the string. So just thread your large needle and then find a nice spot where you can poke it through the glue and pull the string around, and then tie it in a knot to the desired length that you would like it to be. And your sun catcher is ready to be hung. For hanging my sun catcher in my window, I just hung them up with a piece of tape, but you also can purchase small suction cups that also will be able to hold your sun catcher on the window. Thanks for watching again, and have a great day.